Jobs and professions. Bus driver. Train conductor. Street cleaner. Gardener. Taxi driver. Construction worker. Factory worker. Repair technician. Crossing guard. Paramedic. Social worker. Delivery driver. Recycling worker. Sanitation worker. Counselor. Police dispatcher. Grocer. Park ranger. Bus conductor. Post office clerk. Bank teller. Store manager. Fire chief. Cashier. Taxi dispatcher. Bridge engineer. Civil engineer. Roofer. Traffic officer. Road worker. House painter. Housekeeper. Childcare worker. Sports instructor. Museum guide. Caregiver. Zookeeper. Florist. Environmental worker. Park cleaner. Forest ranger. Meteorologist. Weather reporter. Market vendor. Plasterer. Stage technician. Event organizer. Locksmith. Police officer. Firefighter. Doctor. Nurse. Dentist. Teacher. Postman. Plumber. Electrician. Mechanic. Farmer. Shopkeeper. Baker. Chef. Waiter. Waitress. Librarian. Security guard. Lifeguard. Soldier. Veterinarian. Pharmacist. Carpenter. Painter. Cleaner. Tailor. Butcher. Fisherman. Pilot. Flight attendant. News reporter. Photographer. Hairdresser. Tour guide. Judge. Lawyer. Delivery person. Architect. Builder. Janitor. Babysitter. Principal. Coach. Music teacher. Art teacher. Scientist. Radio host. TV presenter. Cameraman. Animal shelter worker.